Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 8494. 8494. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, May the 7th, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle, so two puzzles are left: JigSaw Sudoku and this 4 stars Sudoku. What's the news of today? Well, Putin is for the fifth time president of Russia. well, for the fifth time. All right. Enough about Putin. Excuse me. Let me continue with the 4 stars. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Well. Excuse me again. 4 stars puzzle. Need my average time need 30 minutes or more to solve. Well, usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6. 5 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 6 in the second row could be here, or there. You see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. 6 in this last column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 in the second column, no 6 there. The only place left for 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 2, 9, 4. Okay. Then. We have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 or 9, 8 or 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means these 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. Well, cannot fill this yet. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Then, let me see. Well. 4. 1. Okay, 1. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Two missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. Alright, then need a 2 here, need a 4 here, and I need a 5 here. 5 there. Well. Let me think. 1, 1. I need a 3 here. Oh, nope. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the row below, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Need a 7 here. Oh, yeah. 2, 3. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, and a 9. Come on. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 2 here. And I need a 5 here. Come on. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column only 2 places left, and the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Need a 5 there. Okay, 7 in this last row, 7 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left, and the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left, the 4 it should be there. I need a 4 here, and I need. Come on. 6, 5, 7, 3. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. I need a 2. And I need a, yeah, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. Well, we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left, 7 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So the other pair should be the 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9, okay. And I need a 8 and a 9 and a 1. Okay. Come on. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Here 1. Alright. Then I need a 2 here. Yeah, I need a 2. Need a 2 here, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. Well, we need a 2 in this row. Here can be 2, because we have 2 in this column, so no 2 there. And these 2 are reserved for the 8 and 9. So the only place left for the 2 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 9 are left. Here also 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, 8 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 8 and a 9, we have an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for number. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes and there. Alright, 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, The 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes at there. These 3 boxes are reserved for the 2, 3, and the 7. Well, here can be 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. So the only place left is 7 should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next now, only 2 places left, where the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next now, only 2 places left, for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left, for the 1 could be here, could be there. 8, 9, and the 4. 4, 4. Need a 4 here also. In this column, we need a 4. Here can be 4. We have 4 in the last row. No 4 there. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. I need a 2. One of the missing number in the middle column is the number 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 9 and 4, 9 and 4. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the 7, we have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes at there. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 1. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 7, 7, 7, yeah. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 13 should be a 0 stars. Faster than the previous Sudoku. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.